Welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine came out for producer, as producer had came out for her. And she's saying that, producer is playing everybody else's voice notes and tapes except for hers. And she is the one that the producer is cursing out. Now, Maxine is saying this is not a good move because who would play somebody else's voice notes when they're cursing someone else and not playing anything from that person? So that's what Maxine said about the producer and more. So for you to know what she said, go ahead and watch the video, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I want to say happy birthday. And I wish you joy, prosperity, peace, happiness, love, and everything good, for this year. And for all my other supporters, I'm wishing you a wonderful day.
JLO shit bucket.
JLO?
Let me play the live and go on. I don't know who they find y'all listen to me.
JLO?
Blood clot listen good. Yeah. No. Listen, Marion calling me, right?
What me not understand, right? And me and she the cuss. Idiot. I not feel me voice note that you there play. You not play no voice recording what me say. I know you and the people them they quarrel. Why would you go pick up cartoon voice note, Lorraine voice note, everybody else voice note except for me? And me and you the cuss, and me you the cuss. You see all them fool? Her page is sweet pepper. Sweet pineapple. I saw she name. Sweet pineapple. I saw the page name. Me rascal a whole pineapple that the man. A pineapple one mash up and done with it. No, then nothing really feel. Nothing really feel no one that pineapple no more. I saw she name. Listen, sit down and listen, you will hear it.
Because you want to you don't know one. For 2019, me, I watch Lorraine, so me know everything. Me know what Lorraine capable of. So Lorraine can record me a chat church. I don't want to go to church.
You understand what me I talk about all day? If you're cussing me, right? If you're gonna cuss me, why are you like addressing Jabongo, Flex, and then you being very honest? Cause remember me telling you say he say I feed them out, they kill them, as she say this somebody asked for area code. I don't know which somebody, me just say this somebody. She come out, come make you know, this way you want to go here, she come out and tell you no plain say a Jabongo, she and the other idiot when they on the platform. 3 fucking stooges. And them when they on the platform, me never went come out and talk, and she come out and talk after me never did it. So you say, oh, they're stupid. You can't even carry them go now, we go fight with you or not look at that because they then go bust pan you. Then they go put out the cops pan you. Oh no listen. Just listen her.
Your blood clot, right? Me don't know nothing about Lorraine. You're right, but me don't know nothing about Lorraine. No, me don't know nothing about Lorraine more than... me don't know nothing about nobody more than when they come on social media and anything me see. If them black, blue, pink or whatever, and that me a fucking chat, cause of that me see. Otherwise, when we're going in a house, in a household, I don't know, or in a business, I don't know. Cause neither do I fucking care, or...
Who is she addressing there, so? Who should they address? A cartoon should they address? Because I know me they talk, a cartoon and the whole of them and she they on phone, So if you don't notice people, it's not really me she's addressing. I don't know what to make of this woman. She crazy. A real madman that there. Because who in the address you know? No help me out now. I know me the on the voice note. Who should the address? No, sir.
I don't know, Nar. I don't want to know. Me no watch people business. The only business me watch from social media is what is not going right. Like blood clot, gully rat when can't handle the people them. Only that me watch from social media. If anyone on no blood clot come out can't handle nobody and think say, oh no, do charity and take people money and go on like say no one handle people, poor people like that. Cause I was once poor also.
I don't know what you're watching because the angling of the poor people them done gone from 2019. There is nothing happening since lately with nobody. So me don't know what you really sit on there watch. Me really don't know what you sit on there watch. Like you're not making no sense. Lady, come back to earth. Come back to earth. Jesus.
Me no rich, but at least me can live. Right?
Sweet.
So you're right. You bite the fucking hand that feed you, dirty Maxine.
Yeah, you know.
Dark shit Maxine, all vomit, all cow shit.
What the Ross this thing along? Do I really want to? You don't want to laugh no more. Why should they address me now? Say me bite the hands will feed me. Who for hand me bite will feed me now? Make me lost, me confused. Professor Nuts, your mother's Ross. Professor Nuts, come back to earth. Hurt, calling Professor Nuts. Hurt, calling back Professor Nuts. Come out of the orbit. Hurt, calling Professor Nuts. Me don't know what to do. Me confused. I am confused, I'm telling you. Me don't know what should I say. Me confused, people. Me have to start it back from the beginning. I don't know listen good. I am confused. Because I really don't know who is she addressing. I don't know. Because it's not me. She playing somebody else's live and addressing them. She not addressing me. Come on. You're too whole in the game for they do them that shit you know. You're too whole in the game. Put it up. No, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, people. I second time you do one live. Mary. So, bear with me while I'm setting my thing up. Yeah. This live, this morning when me I do, run go call, rejection, run go call, senior citizen, run go.
Me find this sweet pepper, this sweet pineapple, something but me not see, not like I want a Facebook page. Or something we have to join. It's like a group. It's something we have to join, and the last post then do was 1 year ago. What the hell did she do our post pan today? There's no picture there or nothing. I find the sweet pineapple same thing, but me not see nothing where pineapple wine name. Me no see a Facebook page feed. Let me go back. Me no see a Facebook page, you know. Did anybody find the Facebook page? Anyone want to find the Facebook page? One name Sweet Pineapple Squad or Squaddy are sitting. Sweet Pineapple Squaddy. Me look for it, but me no see it. Me no see it at all. Did I see a frog look good? Hold on there. No, me no see it. Oh, they must have blocked me Ross off of this phone, yeah. You have to go use one of the phone if you find it. Them block me. That's why I not find it. Them block me. No. If real say he did it, one frog the panny. But me can't find it because the phone I me they use, they look for it. Then every one of them block me on the phone there. Everyone. And the one I me they use play the same thing, you know. When me done, me will look for it. Make we listen.
Arms house. Run go call. Tread out crutches. Barbed wire crutches. Elderly Maxine faster. Not even a seat me a blood clot give you. Quat your little dirty ass there so. The piss up dirty ranking pussy. Quat down right there so in my mouth. Let me deal with your blood clots. Cartoon playing live. Nobody never send call you. You come over here with your enough self and pick up people like you're hungry. You well want views and likes. If you buy your dinner, you look a dog shit. You look a dirty dog shit. Dirty Maxine. Yes. Our producer / general. Any one of them where you want to call me Professor Nut.
Professor Nut.
Yes or no. And me come for blood clot. You. And me you not even about talk. Me I go just dash.
Let it be known. I never got over cartoon. Never. I was never over there because I would never sit down and have her calling my name. In those kind of way, I no answer her right there on her page. So let it be known that I was not over there. Okay? Thank you.
Step up on your blood clot and trample you. And show you say, me not afraid of nobody out here. And I'm afraid of he, she, nor the blood clot old lady. None me not afraid of who out here. Right? So all who want come, and if you don't have voice note, and if you don't have picture, and if you don't have, when anything on a blood clot have for me, dash it to blood clot out, because I don't beg none of you to keep no secret for me, because none of you have no secret for me. None have no secret for me. You understand? And that I want to make it clear and straight on this fucking internet here, because you know, one like say, you don't shade nobody, you know. If you're not bad, you don't fi come, you don't fi shade nobody. You're the oldest dirty old cow, pan dirty elderly Maxine. You're the oldest cow, the pan. Why you don't behave your blood clot self, eh? Quat your ass down there. When you say good fall and go and market, you sense it for not take up your blood clot and come stay in your lane. Let me play the voice note now, because I'm ready for you now. I don't believe the professor. And when you not talk about a bongo, if you kick me, when you are talk about a bongo, if you kick me off in live, I may run go over that the platform there and then kick me off. This is my blood clot phone now, and my phone, this is a platform here. Name the ultimate rubbings of rub out on a blood clot when you don't fuck with me. Rub on and scrub on and then go dash on in a swamp. Especially you. Yes. So, me not go over bongo, go disrespect bongo platform. And me not go find nobody else platform, go disrespect them platform. This are mine now. And this here just the rub. Yes. And mine want this now. You talk about me if you come. Well, now me come. Me and your blood clot on the battlefield. And me not left out you. Me a text it in your back like oh. And a matter of fact, me not give you no knowings. After this alive here, me not give you no.
You're telling us that the people them block me before me even go on this thing. They literally go for me name, block me name so me can't see them. Me can't see them. But me, the phone what me they use play, you know what? Let me send it over to the phone there. Me don't find it. Let me send over the message over to this phone here. Let me send over the message them to this phone here, people. Because the phone that I'm using, Alright, let me go in this. Let me take off this from off it and put it on the other one. Me I'll find it. Girl, you know more than me. Quat your ass down and sit down. You're not more than me. You quat your little backside down.
Pointed to man once. We have to be dead. Whether we want to stand up and drop down, whether we want to sit. So, bear with me while I'm setting my thing up. Yeah. This live, this morning when I do, run go call, rejection, run go call, senior citizen, run go call, arms house, run go call, tread out crutches, barbed wire crutches, elderly Maxine faster, not even a seat me a blood clot give you. Quat your little dirty ass there so. You piss up dirty ranking pussy. Quat down right there so in our mud. Let me deal with your blood clots. Cartoon playing live. Nobody never send call you. You come over here with your enough self and pick up people like you're hungry. You well want views and likes to buy your dinner.
Holy fuck.
Shit. You're like a dirty dog shit.
Listen, guys. These motherfuckers go around into names, fake fucking page, because that's all they can run with. You know how me love to block. Me going and look for your mother Ross and block you. I block the motherfucker off of every page. Look at people. When you block people, this is what come up. See it here. Look at people. Look here. I just put in that name in it and whoever under that the IP did get fucking blocked from me. Watch your people. Watch ya. Watch ya. This phone, I don't play. When I block you, I block you. Pretty much that person was under another fake fucking page and get blocked. So me not go get to see that motherfucker. I block the son of a bitch. You run from page to motherfucking page. You get caught. I don't know what kind of name. Can I go in there and find out which name when they are so? Can I really go? I want to see if I see black when me can go in on the page, yeah. Let me press menu and see if me can know who this is somebody here. Me can know who. Me can't fucking know who. Me can't know who. Oh, I will deal with you later on. You little dirty bumbo, you. Guys, you know see what happened? So you see what happened, guys? The little fucker come over me page in a one different name. And I block the little bumbo. I block her. So at the ultimate Robbins,